Hey Gifted Crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Brother ScanNCut. This is the SDX230Di model. So let's get started. So I'm really excited to see what you get inside this box. Let's take a look. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here. Right off the bat, you do see, looks like a getting started guide on here. So I'm going to set that over to the side. We have another box here. This looks to be like the power cord, super important. And I'm going to set this over to the side so I can slide it out because the box is pretty big here. Okay, so it looks like there's a couple of goodies in here. As you can see, here is the machine. I'm going to turn it around for you. Let's go ahead and take it out of the wrapper. So right off the bat, super cute. Now this is the Disney model, so you see Minnie and Mickey here. Absolutely adorable for all those Disney lovers out there. I know I'm going to enjoy this a lot. So let's take a look here at some of the other items that you get on this machine. Seems like there's a couple of other goodies. They do provide you with the mat, and let's see. We have the standard tack adhesive mat that comes with the machine. Looks like you also get the low-tack adhesive mat along with some other things. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now, the mats do come with the little protective cover on the top. Make sure you keep those. Those are going to be super important. Okay, and then inside the bag, it looks like we have a little bit of instructions on here and some cardstock that they provide you with. And I'm guessing this is probably for the little project that they give you. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Now, getting back to this little box right here, let's see all of the goodies that you get with this here. This is the Getting Started guide, so it's got the Disney on top, and it seems like this is probably the little project that we'll be making on when you get your machine. So it's a nice little project to make, and I'm probably going to make that. Seems like pretty good instructions on here with some nice pictures to guide you. We also have a Disney collection on here. Pretty neat. And I do also see a quick reference guide along with the manual. Super important. You want to keep all of these things in place. So the machine is looking pretty good. It does have some plastic on the side, looks like to protect it. So I'm going to try to take some of that off. Looks like you can pop this up on the top. There's your little screen that will allow you to do all kinds of functions on here. I can't wait to read the little manual on here and make my first project. This little machine seems like it comes with everything that you need to get started. I'm super excited. This is pretty neat. Now, it does come very well packaged, and I think there's a couple of other pieces of tape that I would have to take out to open this up. Okay, so one more thing that you can see here. Once you open it up, you do see some instructions here. Go ahead and pull those out. Let's see, it's got some tape here. They do really a nice job in protecting the machine. You can take that out here. Now you have here on the bottom, looks like 2 little compartments here. Once you open up the compartment, you'll see here, got a little pouch that they give you. And looks like they give you some markers for you to be able to draw with the machine. So those are really neat. And then, let's see. Looks like you have the casing here, which is really nice. Now, inside the case, let's take a quick peek. So you've got a little spatula to help you get the items right off of the mat, as well as the little stylus pen so you can go ahead and maneuver on your screen. And then here we have one of the blades here as well. So really, really nice. Looks like I have everything I'm going to need to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on my projects, but this is everything that comes in the ScanNCut. I'm super excited to do all kinds of projects with you guys with this machine. This is really amazing. I really love this machine, and I can't wait to get going on these. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification button because you don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorials that I'll be putting out with this. This is really going to be a fun one to do together. So thank you again for tuning in, and I hope to be crafting with you soon.